Hi, my name is Benjamin, and I do a code mentorship at letsboot.com. And today I'm going to show you what I've done recently with Python, but from scratch. So first of all, I'm going to open up a terminal, put in the middle so you can all see, and I'm going to open up idle. And here's the idle shell. Close the terminal. In the idle shell, I'm going to open up and make a new project. First of all, I have to save the project, so I'm going to call it Python project save. So what I learned is I'm going to make some shapes with turtle, but this time I'm going to use a star, and I want to make it turn into a circle, and it's gonna have a really cool shape. I promise. So first of all, I need to import the turtle, and now I need to define what shape I want to do. Draw star. So I'm going to draw star, category of turtle, colon, and since I need to make 5 points, I'm going to make a loop ready. I in range 5 points. And with that, I'm gonna have to start with forward at 110, and then I'm gonna go to the left by 2. It's not 2016, it's 216 degrees. Alright, so I have the start ready. Now if I save it and I run it, yes, that happens. If I save it and run it, nothing happens. You see, everything's okay now, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna have to define the category where I can create a shape and I can change different values to make the object different. So I'm gonna draw art. Yeah. In here, I'm gonna make a window, and right in the art category, you could say, I'm gonna make sure that we have a window. All right, there we go. And I'm gonna give it a color. And I think the best color for the window would be the background color, be white. Save. Okay, I also need to make sure that I have this at the bottom as well. Save, run. All right, now we have this beautiful white screen. And since I can't exit, I'm gonna do something real fast just for convenience's sake. I'm gonna create an option, exit on click. So if I just be able to do that, like magic. Everything here I do with magic. All right, now that we want to draw the star, so I'm gonna give the shape a name. I'm gonna call it pine. Make sure it's at the right attribute. Okay, and now I'm going to make sure that it draws a star named pine. Save it, run it, and there we go. We have a star. Cool. So this is the first half of the exercise. Now I'm gonna make the circular part that I mentioned beforehand. So I'm gonna create a loop here for I in range, and I'm gonna make 36 stars. I also need to indent this. Start from here, and just so the stars I don't want 36 stars to go to lap over each other, so I'm gonna give it the shape an indent of 10 degrees to the left, right here, alrighty. And you can see it just jumps by 10 degrees all the time. But if I do this, it's just gonna take forever. So I'm gonna increase the speed by 10. Alright, save it and run it, and that's cool. It goes a lot faster, but it's still too slow. So I'm going to increase it and hit run again. And there we go. How about that? That looks really cool. But I wanted to have it bigger and give it some color and so on. So I'm gonna do that. Make it bigger. So what I found out is to make it bigger is to increase it by 200, and it gets more or less about double the size. And then I'm gonna give it a color. So I'm gonna give it, let's make it orange. Alright, and since I'm already here, I'm also gonna increase the thickness. Let's make it 5. Actually, let's make it 6. Save. Alright. That's cool. That's really, really cool. But now just for a last addition, just so you can follow how it's being produced. I'll close it that way. I'm gonna add a shape for it, so a shape for the cursor. So since we're doing turtle, I'm gonna make it turtle. And I'm also gonna give it a color. Let's make it blue. Alright, save it and then hit run. And there you go. You can follow every single point where it jumps, and at the end it'll just stay in the middle. Perfect. Alright, thank you very much for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed.